Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch run the latest iOS/watchOS, are on the same Apple ID, and have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Cellular. This is where you add a plan. Make sure you have the Airtel Esim QR or activation code handy, because you'll need to scan or enter it when prompted to link the watch to Airtel. Now you proceed to add the Airtel Esim. In the Watch app, choose Cellular, then add Cellular and set up Cellular on iPhone. This directs you to carrier setup. Select Airtel from the list, then either scan the Esim QR code or type the activation code shown by Airtel. This step ties the watch number to your plan. You'll accept Airtel's terms and choose any billing or plan options. Make sure to stay connected until the carrier confirms activation. To finish, verify in the Watch app that Cellular shows active and then test a call or cellular data directly from the watch. This proves the Esim is live. If it doesn't work, restart both devices, rescan the QR, and make sure carrier settings updates were installed. These often resolve provisioning delays. If problems persist, contact Airtel with your activation code and EMA. Only restore device backups as a last resort because that can complicate provision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.